Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to fix Instagram loading slow in 2024. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. If you have a problem with Instagram loading slowly or flickering and lagging and you don't know what to do, don't worry. I got you covered. First of all, what we're going to do is check if our Instagram is up to date. So what we're going to do is open App Store. In here, type Instagram, and as you can see, my Instagram is up to date. As there is no update, the other thing that we can do to fix this issue is to go to Settings. Then scroll down a bit and tap on General. Now go to iPhone Storage. Over here you can offload Instagram. Then reinstall it. After that, surely you will see it will be loading faster. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.